Right now, you might feel like your life, and maybe in particular your business, is coming apart at the seams. Here at Box Out Marketing, we want to reach out to you with a literal lifeline. I've thought a lot about how we can help. We've been in the business of helping small businesses for many, many years. And as I look around, I see many small businesses being the most impacted by what's happening in our world with the COVID-19 pandemic. And that just breaks my heart. So we've looked at all the different resources that we've created over the years and tried to figure out what's the most valuable thing that we can offer as a lifeline to people out there who are struggling. And we've decided that we want to put together this little package of things that we call the Small Business Lifeline. But the most important part of that is direct access to me and my team to help you out in live conversations. So what does that look like? Well, twice a week we have what we call open office calls with our clients and our customers who are members of our membership site. We do those on Tuesdays and on Thursdays. And what we've decided to do is indefinitely expand that open office call service to all small businesses using Infusionsoft or Keap, and do those calls every single day of the week. So Monday through Friday, starting later this week, we will have those calls available to any and all Infusionsoft or Keap user. You get on those calls, it's first come, first serve, and you ask your question or describe your situation, and we will help you out. We'll help you out one-on-one. It does happen in a group setting, but we will help you out. We'll get into your Infusionsoft or your Keap account, help you build campaigns, fix campaigns, whatever it may be. We'll help you strategize on how to weather the storm, how to put together new and different offerings for your audience to be able to accommodate the new situation that you might find yourself in. We can discuss all of those types of things with you. So that's the primary way that we're here to help you out. Secondarily, we're going to give you access to a couple of our courses that are really important courses. If you find yourself with a little extra time on your hands because you're working from home or your work situation is different and you want to get in and learn Infusionsoft a little bit better, we're giving you access to our Introduction to Success Lab course, as well as our Campaign Builder Mastery course, which goes deep into how to utilize the Campaign Builder in Infusionsoft to build campaigns and grow your business. We have a handful of other resources that we're going to offer to you, but those are the most important. The other thing I want you to know is that it's not just us here at Box Out Marketing that are here to support you. You happen to be part of an absolutely amazing community. The Infusionsoft and Keap community has been a community of giving servants for years, since the foundation of the company, really. And this comes from the culture of the company itself. Clay and Scott and Eric, the founders, are giving people. They've instilled that into the culture of the company that has flowed out into the culture of the community. And we've engaged with a lot of other certified partners who are also more than willing to give of their time and their service and their training to help you out as well. So if you fill out the form on this page, you're going to get access to our Small Business Lifeline. On the following page, you're going to have opportunities to request information, support, training, and help from a lot of these other partners as well. They'll all be listed on the page. You can check the boxes next to each one to get access to the things that they're offering as part of their lifeline to you as well. So just know this. Know that you are loved, that we care about you, and we're going to do everything in our power to come together as a community to help each other weather this storm. We will get through it. We are here together with you to help you get through it. So fill out the form. Let's get started on your journey, and we'll see you on those daily calls and helping you out through the various different services that we offer. Feel free to reach out to me. I'm Tyler Garns, founder and CEO at Box Out Marketing. You can reach out to me at any time directly to my email, tyler@boxoutmarketing.com, and we'll see how we can best help you in your situation with your business. Thank you. We'll see you soon.